Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So this is not at all how I wanted my last week of my college program to be, but I have tonsillitis and I called out of work today because your girl is sick and I do not feel good. So basically all I've been doing today is packing, resting, and watching movies because I watched Twilight. I watched Happily Ever After, which isn't a movie, but on YouTube, and I've been watching WandaVision. I think I'm on episode 4 right now, maybe 5, 4 I think. And I've gotten a lot of packing done actually. So in my last video, which I don't know if I ever am actually posting because I haven't posted it yet, and it's kind of like a rambly video, so I might just like remake it. So I don't know if you've seen my last video, but I packed my first suitcase, and then today/yesterday I packed my second one, and it's like basically full. And even though all of this is empty, I still have all this like crap that's on my floor to pack, all my dirty clothes that I just washed. These are all my clothes that are laid out for the week, and like all this to still pack. I'm just gonna get rid of this stuff because it's like very obviously used, and like friction and stuff is all over it, if that makes sense. That doesn't make sense, but anyway. So yeah, all right, today is Sunday, December 12th. And yes, I didn't start vlogging until 1945, aka 7:45, because like I said, I've been preoccupied and I didn't think y'all would want to see me just watching movies all day. Except I could have recorded this, but me and Elizabeth watched Twilight. When we were watching Twilight, we made Christmas sugar cookies. I wonder if they're in here. They're probably in her pantry. I'm gonna show you all. These are just our leftovers, but we made these cute little sugar cookies and drank eggnog, and it was super fun. And yeah. So in my room, I've basically taken most of my wall decor down. Here's my Red Robin seasoning, rip. But I've taken down this wall, and I still have my bags up and this stuff up. So might as well just take that down right now. I wish y'all could see my camera setup right now because it's kind of crazy. But yeah, so today, I said this already, but today is Sunday the 12th. I am terming and moving out of Flamingo on the 16th because that is the day that my parents get here. And then I am going to the Christmas party that night, which I'll vlog. But that'll be a separate vlog, separate from this one. And then I'm going to the parks with my parents the next couple days, and then I fly home on the 19th. So I'm really excited. Look at these cutie pics. I've got this picture of me and Elizabeth in front of the castle. This picture. I've got this terrible picture of me and my parents. And then I've got this picture of me and Bree in front of the castle, which is also very not great quality. But yeah, I'm just gonna put these in my box, my little DCP box. But anyway, that's pretty much all for today. But tomorrow I'm going to Hollywood Studios with my friend Makena, my BFF, and so I'm super excited. So y'all will see that tomorrow. Bye. Hello y'all, good morning. It is now Tuesday, and today I am just going to go down to the store, hopefully find some boxes, and just kind of get ready to get the heck out of here. All right, so I am now home, and I got a couple boxes from Target, and I forgot packing tape, but thank God my roommate had some. So I've already started unpacking just like random stuff, shoes pretty much, and then I got ready for work. And the next bus comes at 2:20. The bus closest to when I need to leave is at 2:20, so I am going to leave at 2:10 just to make sure that I get to the bus on time, and then I will go to work, and then I will try to remember to vlog when I get back, but no promises because I'm, you know, terrible. So yeah. Hey besties, just as I suspected, I forgot to vlog again last night, but today I am going to Blizzard Beach with Makena, and I'm so fucking excited. I can't find my waterproof mascara, so we're, you know, free facing, free balling it. Not free balling it. But yeah. Hey. We are going to Blizzard Beach. And we got some beautiful McDonald's. So, see you there. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, for sure. So we're here. We're here at the Blizzard. And they're taking a beautiful picture of their beautiful snow child. You're up on that dad. So we're gonna barely vlog today because I don't want to get my phone wet, so I'll probably be leaving it with our stuff for the most part. So there's like 7 people here. It's packed.
So busy today.
It's so busy today.
Does this scream me or does this scream me?
Wait, let me cover my phone.
Does this scream me? Does this scream me or does this scream me?
It screams her. Scream.
Ah, Miss Anna. Hey, we're wet.
2 wet girls.
Mulan? What? Is that you? Say my name. The bell. We have done literally every ride except for Summit Plummet because we're scared. But I think we're gonna do it, right?
They keep falling off.
Whatever, I'm depressed.
Oh, that'll be the transition.
Yeah, okay, go. That was so bad. You weren't even covering the camera.
Yeah, I was. Oh,
You weren't. It was like, you were like having it right
I was
here.
like, oh.
We're going to do
Wait,
the
tell them
beautiful
what we
wave
did.
pool.
We did the lazy river. We did all the racing rides.
I said we did all the rides except for Summit Plummet.
Oh,
You
and
were
the
on-
enclosed. Yeah, we're going back. To
We didn't do the enclosed 2B1 because I think they're the same, right? Just
Not
one's
the
enclosed.
Oh yeah, except one's enclosed.
Yeah. But it's more mysterious, so we're
Yeah.
still gonna do it. But the stairs up,
What are you saying? No,
Not
wait, that?
the stairs up to the tube.
The bitch, guys.
Yeah.
Guys.
It's funny because you go all the way up to the top and then you just like walk down a ramp downwards. So like you could have made the stairs shorter.
Yeah.
Anyways.
Let me take pictures.
Okay. Don't get my body because I'm in. It's just a floating head. No! No, it's too high. Down. There. Is that better?
Yeah. Let me do it.
McKenna's turn.
Whoa.
You gotta put your beautiful shoes on and we're gonna go get some beautiful food. We did it! Mom, I did it! I did Summit Plummet.
Yeah, me too. That was my first time too. It was both of our first times.
I made her go first.
Yeah, she did. And I was looking up like, you gotta do it! After I was like feeling the bruises on my butt.
Dude, here's the thing about Summit Plummet that no one tells you. It's not that bad, but it's painful. Like, it hurts. You can feel, because you're not even like touching the slide, because you're just feeling the pressure of the water that's like going, it feels like it's like going up against you. I don't know, it hurts. It hurts.
Yeah.
Anyway, food. No one told me my hair looked like this until I started recording.
Like lightly combed over.
I literally didn't even, that was my genuine reaction just now. I was like, no!
I can hold now. The comb over. Just.
The hard part middle school days. We just went on Summit Plummet, clearly.
We have bruises.
Yours is kind of doing the same thing. It's
I just
not
moved
as
mine
bad.
though.
Oh no, the fork machine's broken. Man, you're out of forks.
Oh, for sure.
Wow.
I thought I did. It didn't work.
Can you tell we work here?
We work here.
We work here. I'm an employee
That's why we
for
can get in
a
here when it's
day
freezing.
more.
One day more. Except I won't. I'll be here for a little while.
She'll be here forever.
No, don't say that. Jesus.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel.
Welcome back.
Actually though, we got our view. I'm leaving that in.
It's fun.
Okay, we got our beautiful, oh my god, I am dripping. We got our beautiful lunch and I got way too much food because I am stupid. Okay.
Show your poop.
So this is what I got. And I was like, dang, that's it's not even showing. And I was like, dang, that's expensive. Like, why is mine like $15? Well, it did say double bacon cheeseburger.
And you got a pickle and an onion ring.
And a pickle and an onion ring. But it did say double bacon cheeseburger. But I thought that that meant double bacon.
Like a dumbass.
Like 2 pieces of bacon. Oh yeah, I did just put a little blob of ketchup. I forgot about that. Not double cheeseburgers.
User error. Oh, the juices of that ketchup was...
I'm a little stupid. What the fuck?
I finished my honey mustard, so now I'm putting it in here.
That's smart. That's smart. We're gonna finish here and then we're gonna go home. Well, I'm gonna go home and then I have to go to work. And she gets to hang out with her little bestie.
I get to hang out with my friend. I'm going to Universal.
Oh, that's fun.
For Christmas. Christmas pictures.
Crema.
Ew, Christmas. I have to post a picture of you.
Alright, so I did forget to vlog between Blizzard and work, but I didn't just get home. I've been home for a minute. I got home from my very last shift as a cast member. Very bittersweet. Like when you sign out every day, it says thanks for making the magic. Seeing that on the screen for the last time was like the only thing that really made me emotional. But I came home and I did some more packing. I didn't realize how much I bought since I've been here until realizing how hard it is to get everything home. Cause yeah, also I'm so tired. So I'm heading to bed. See you guys in the morning. Bye. All right, hey guys, today is the next day. I am moving out of Flamingo today, and this is my room at the moment. It still has a bunch of shit that I have no idea what to do with in here. For some reason my eye is like puffy, so just ignore it. It's the custodial. More on that in a different video. It still hasn't like super hit me that I'm like done with my college program yet. I mean, I know it like basically just ended last night, but like it's weird. Like I feel like this is just another normal day other than my puffy eye that looks like that. My parents are on their way here. They're at Kadani Village right now, and they have a rental car, so they're gonna come pick me and all my crap up. We're gonna drop off the boxes at UPS and I guess go from there. This is so weird. This is so weird. Hey guys, my fam is here. Hey y'all, hey parents. This is what my room is looking like now. We've got pretty much everything situated and I'm ready to go. It's a very weird feeling. This hat is too small for my big head. Huh? So goodbye to apartment I'm not gonna say the name of because there's still people living here. I will miss you. Goodbye Flamingo. Thanks for being my home the last however long. Alright y'all, we have just checked in, or they were already checked in, but we got to the hotel. We're staying at Kadani Village at Animal Kingdom Lodge. This is our view. There's a giraffe and an antelope right there. This is the room. Alright, so the door's right here. First thing to the left is a beautiful, what's it called? Bathroom. And then here's the kitchen. Here is this room with the bed I'll be sleeping on. TV. And then here's the bedroom. And the huge bathroom. So yeah. Alright, I'm going to be ending the vlog here because I'm going to start a new vlog to film our fun adventures at the Merriest Night's Christmas party. So talk to you guys all in the next one. Bye!